What's up YouTube? Toby's Mowers back at you with another video today. I installed this Spicer transmission in my LT1000 off-road lawnmower, but it's been squealing, making super loud sounds, so we're going to take it apart in this video. It probably has grease in it. We're going to take it apart, weld the diff, and put heavy-duty diesel oil in it. So let's get right to the live action. Alright, so we're going to start in the rear end, taking off the tires, all the transaxle mounts, and then we still need to modify my shifter in this episode. And then take all the tires off. I bought some new 20-inch tires, exactly the same tread pattern as this. 20-inch 7x8s, so those will be going on soon, but I guess it's time to take it apart. So we just got my tires off and everything off, but now looking at the axles, this one looks a little rusty. I ran it for about a week with this new Spicer transmission in it, but it's just screaming a little hard, so we're going to take it apart, clean it out, and I guess put it back together. This axle looks pretty fine, pretty good. Not a lot of play. The key does have a small indent in it, but it'll be fine for now till I strip it out. And this one spins a lot better than my Peerless 206 transmission. Also, no oil leakage on the axle. And then this side doesn't really have any oil leakage either. And my axle looks really good. So I guess let's go ahead and take this Spicer transmission out and start taking it apart. Hey guys, so I got my transmission out and apart. And as you can tell, this thing is packed full of just grease. Not even oil, grease. So we're going to go ahead and remove completely all this grease out, and then we're going to put and replace it with heavy-duty diesel oil that's thicker, so it'll work really well, and then that way it won't squeal anymore, and we'll weld this differential. So let's go ahead and clean these cases. Hey guys, so I just got my transmission halves nice and cleaned out, and I got my input shaft all taken out, greased that inside. But I found out why it's making so much noise even in neutral, and all the gears was there's little roller bearings in here, and one of the bearings on the top, it completely just shredded apart. There was little roller pins that it rolls on, and all of them just fell out. All of them were just hanging around, scratching the shaft a little bit. But I cleaned it all up, pulled one off out of a stronger MTD transaxle right there. It was actually a bigger roller bearing that is still 5/8 bore, but it fit just fine like it's meant to be, and it rolls much better now. I'm just gonna fill it with a little bit of oil in there. I might see if I can even add a greaser in there too, but otherwise it rolls really good now. I spaced this so that there's hardly any play anymore. Before you could move it up like that much, but now there's like only that much, so barely any play. It's good. Clip fit right on top, so I'm just gonna bolt this back together, and it has these little springs in there with little ball pins that need to go in there. Bolt it back together, put it back on, put all the gears in, and I guess we'll be set. After taking all day, I finally got my lawnmower transmission mocked up, complete, and I got all my gears on. Right there, welded it, and got all my gears on. Everything's taken out of these gears teeth. Chain is fine, it's a little loose. I didn't really think much of it. Everything turns over fine. My little springs right there that took a pain in the butt are finally in. Everything's in, so we're going to go ahead and throw some silicone on this, put some oil in it, and let's go ahead and seal it up. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I got my transmission in, the RTV all on, and I only see two little small leaks. That one's by the axle shaft, barely even leaking. But it'll seal it up a little more with all the washers, spacers in it. This one over here probably is just something where I didn't seal it good enough, so I'll probably just put some more silicone in it. But otherwise, let's get these spacers and tires on. So I just got my tire on, keys in, washers in, tires are nice and spaced. Alright guys, so I just got the transmission in, up, sealed, so I went and test drove it. did really well. Everything worked nice, shifted nice. I adjusted the shifter, so now it goes all the way into reverse and 6-speed. I just drilled a longer hole down there, and everything works good, except I do just have minor leaks on a few. This one, I know it's very redneck and probably won't work, but heck, we're gonna send it. So I guess we're gonna see if that'll work. I'm gonna let it dry out just a little bit. I know it'll be rubbing up against the axle shaft and stuff, but I'm gonna just see if that'll help seal it a little bit. And then my tires, my new tires are probably coming really soon. They're the exact same one of those, but 20 inches, so 2 inches taller than these. Those will probably be coming really soon, so probably I'd say within the next week. But I'm gonna just run these tires for now, get a few clips for you guys, and hope everything works. Just got my other tire on, E-clip in, washer in and everything, keys in and everything. This one's a little spacey too. But I got my shifter all hooked up, everything's ready to go, new tires and everything. So here's some more Mower content for you now. Alright, so as you guys can see, this thing is super fun to ride. This thing absolutely does everything awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. The one problem I'm just having with this thing is my belt keeps coming off on that transmission in the back, and it is leaking quite a bit. So I'm just gonna mainly be using this mower for off-road and like mud. And then once I build my mud pull-in pro lawnmower over there, it's gonna be sick. But otherwise, this one's it for now. So I'll let you guys know when those tires come in, and that'll probably be when we make a belt guard for it, a few other mods to it, and hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs down twice, and please subscribe. Really, really helps support this channel. So if you guys want to see more of my mower content, you can go check out some playlists right there, and then I also have some more videos on it right there. So I hope you guys just enjoy it, and you can also see my playlist right here, my channel right here, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope to see you in another episode.